shit.
Being careful. That's okay. Because that was,
You're totally broke?
Yeah.
I don't believe you, sir.
Oh, no.
I don't believe you.
No, sir.
All right. So you're selling this place or what?
What?
You're selling it?
Yeah, I am here over 23 years.
Why are you selling it?
Man, this place is huge for me.
What?
Just 24 hours cutting the trees and stuff every year and following. We have 24 hours and I'm walking. Don't see still, not this place is not clean. Always
Yeah,
you
well.
don't see this.
You got free eggs.
No, she's doing the rooster fuck him a lot, man.
What?
That motherfucker, he fucked the hen a lot. Man. He's bothering him.
Oh, jeez.
But sometimes doing every day, sometimes doing what they go born down.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
No, go ahead, Isaac. You will.
All right. See what we got.
So you guys, you come in for help. You're welcome to every place.
All right.
You're welcome to all the places. All the house is your house.
So what's going on? It's not heating or what?
I tell you.
Or
You're
AC?
gonna see even Pilot, one of the nice people comes last couple of years. Pilot was things. He just go buy from the Home Depot and fix it. And that means he put it the new things. He charged me $60 plus $20 that one. And still Pilot is on. But what happened?
$60. $60.
Yes.
Jesus.
No, I don't go through the item.
Okay.
Look, the point is this. The air condition, as we put it, that keys on, you see air condition is working. Even the gas and stuff last couple of years.
Okay.
About 3 years.
So
the fan stop running. Hold up.
here, sir. Here, before you hurt yourself.
Someone else means he put yesterday wrong way. Push it up, push it up.
Yeah. Hold on.
He did wrong things. Push it up. He did
hell?
in a wrong way. Even I see he's hammering from. Can you believe it? He did
All right, sir.
the realtor.
So the problem is the blower's not spinning.
The blower don't run, and there is
Okay.
something as I know you're gonna check it out. Maybe this and maybe these things is gone.
Okay, let me get in here and take a look, okay?
I know. I take this one off.
Shit.
Being careful. That's okay because that was on.
No, it's off.
Okay.
Now we got a problem.
No, that touched something.
Yeah, touch this
something,
right here.
a wire or something. It's not gonna happen.
God damn it.
No, nothing happened.
Yes, something did happen.
I will check the
Okay.
fuses. I don't think so. Start work, you know.
Huh?
Put him on AC. Okay. I put him on it. Okay. That is on the AC.
Yeah.
Is on right now.
All right. Yeah, this thing is.
You're hearing the van, it's the AC is working.
Yeah. This thing is. Boy, I tell you. Where's the breaker for this thing?
What's what?
Where's the breaker for this?
Breaker outside. Breaker for the. You're talking about the electricity.
Yeah.
Dog is on a dog is at.
Oh shit.
No, listen, he's okay. He's gonna come and smell you.
Okay.
But I am with you. Dog, it's okay. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy.
What's up, buddy?
Good. He's gonna smell you. Yeah, good boy.
Where's the furnace breaker?
Hold, like a good boy. Come here.
Hold
on, let me take this outside.
Yeah.
Like come here.
That's not it. That's the AC.
You find it?
I guess we'll find out. Oh, mother of God. See ya. Yeah, this should probably kill the whole room, huh? Kills the whole room. Ugh. Okay, we're dead. Capacitor right here. 24 volts. Let me plug this in. Something shorted out. Should have 24 volts here. And so I'm just gonna go like this and see if the fan comes on. Okay.
Yeah.
Magic, right?
Yes. It's cold.
All right. So we need to replace this. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Old Smoky. Oh boy. We'll get you taken care of. All right.
Thank you. Sir, piece of banana, please.
Yeah. Just no.
Not right now.
Everything's coming in, just nothing coming out because it's shorted to the ground. The thermostat's burnt. Let me go get a thermostat.
I don't have beer or this stuff.
I don't want no beer, man. I just want. So you're telling me
Yeah.
that this thermostat is new?
Yes, sir.
Really? Where do you get it from?
Just through he ordered that comes from the mail and stuff. From the company, as he knows. He give it the model, send it the picture and everything.
How long has it been in here?
Oh, I can say over 15 years.
So how is it new? If,
Yeah,
if he put it in 15 years ago?
I don't say that's yesterday. No, that about the building, this one is replaced.
Oh
The
man.
other one was.
Oh, just put this old cheapie in there.
Yeah, that's responded.
Okay, I killed the power of the condenser because it was running. Okay. Will you turn that power off for me, sir?
Right away.
Right away. Turn it off, please. All right. Let me get my drill, screw gun, get this old Smoky off the wall. You know what I mean? Huh?
Don't say that's nothing. Don't worry.
All right, man. This thermostat wire is kind of this thermostat wire is pretty you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's short and stuff.
I still got the brown I could use, but they did old Smoky here. Holy cow! I got to be careful here. I don't know what's going on behind there. Huh?
It's very short, you know.
Very short.
Yeah.
Very short. Okay, let's see.
Almost there is no extra.
Very short. Yeah, it's it's just to get you by. You know what I mean?
Means I have to sell this place and get rid of the banks and stuff. Get rid of my ass anyhow after
Pass it to the.
41 years in United
You're gonna pass it to the next homie, huh?
working at the road 24 hours. Off road. Oops. I hold by the finger.
You hold by the finger.
don't-
I need to come this way a little bit.
Okay, I catch.
Okay. Okay. There you go.
Okay,
Hold by the finger. You got it?
I did.
All right. You holding by the finger?
Yeah.
Okay. Let go by the finger.
Yeah. Now you need this.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Okay, sir. See what we got, okay? Fingers crossed. You ready? Huh? Okay. Okay? You're good to go. Now let me test the heat and let me test the AC off, okay?
Yeah, AC is you put it off.
Yeah, I know. Let me test the heat though, okay?
Yeah.
To make sure this thing lights and does what it's supposed to do. Where's your trash can at?
And I can give it to me.
Let's test the heat.
Yeah.
It's funny out here you need to have a heater, not an AC to sell the house. It's funny out here, you know what I mean? You know that, right? In California? Heat's good. Now it tests the AC, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
How you put on the heat, how you put
I'll show you, sir. I'll show you before I leave, okay? Let me go test.
Light always.
Yeah, let me go test this. Hold on. Huh?
They are so lucky, the people.
Oh yeah, very, 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 very nice. Oh shit! Hate working on these old systems. If this works, then I can go home. All right. Okay. Okay. Much better.
More than okay.
All right, sir.
You are so nice, I tell you, man. I am totally broke. Jake paid from his budget, then I
You're
paid.
totally broke?
Yeah.
I don't believe you, sir.
Oh, no.
I don't believe you.
No, sir. The money as I get to the SS, oh man, son, southwest, left and right calling me, ask me if I need money and stuff. Oh,
Well.
don't want to come. Situation, don't thinking I'm crying. Situation is.
I think you're crying, sir.
If I go through the vote,
I don't believe you're not broke. I think you're crying. I think you're crying. I think you're crying poor. I think you're rich. Oh, you got another screw over there?
bank is gonna be which? Down there. Oh,
Up,
that's
down.
666.
This is the temperature in the house.
In the house right now, 78.
Yes, sir.
I want to get it through the lock, 72 right now.
Okay, 72. Cool. 72. Leave it on 72. Right there. Bada bing, boom. You're good.
Okay,
Leave it alone. Okay?
that's it.
All right.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
You have a good
sir.
day, all right?
God bless you, sir.
This one's on me. I'm not charging you.
No, sir.
No.
No, that's
Have a good weekend, huh? Hey, Jake, how's it going?
Hey, Aaron, it's all right, man.
Good. I just got done finishing up over here. Easy fix.
Oh, okay, what was it?
Bad thermostat.
Huh. Okay, cool. So is it working? Or?
Yeah, it's working great. Heating and cooling. You're good to go.
Oh, man, that's awesome. Very cool. Okay.
All right.
Well, that's exactly the kind of news I was hoping for.
Well, all right. Well, you have a good one.
What I owe you?
This one's on me. You have a good weekend, okay?
On you?
Yeah, man. Don't worry about it. He's a good guy, man.
Oh, come on now. I got.
No, it's a good.
What's that?
He's a good old feller, man. He no big
is.
no
He
big
is.
deal, man. $30 thermostat and some good conversation. So you have a good weekend, and give me a call next time you need me. All right?
You know what? I really appreciate that, Aaron. I definitely will do.
All right, buddy. Take care. I'll talk to you later, Jake.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, bye.
Thanks a lot. Okay.
Bye.
Take care.
Yeah, bye. All right. Just paying a little bit of forward, you know. A little $30 thermostat and some good conversation. That old man had me cracking up in there. So, yeah. I'm going to go do this quick repair. And go on home and relax. Find something to do. Definitely watch the Pacers tonight. Yeah. Watch Halliburton go off again on the Thunder. If you're a Pacer fan, comment below. If you're a Thunder fan, comment below. Have a good weekend, and I'm on to the next one. Bada bing.